So children, some quadratic equation sums we will discuss. Children, level 2 sums or our first question. Do carefully, children. Please practice and do 2 times so that later you need not worry about the sums. Children, there will be little bit tricky questions. 1 by, please see here, children. 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus x. We have to find the value of x. Children. We have to find the value of x. So how I am doing all of us each children. First here you keep 1 children as I have seen. So x is equal to 1 by, please see here children, 2 minus 1 by, for 1 and 2 minus x, LCM is 2 minus x. Okay. 1 second. 1 by. So for 1 and 2 minus x, what will be the LCM children? 2 minus x. 1, 2 minus x are 2 minus x. 2 minus x into 2. 2 into 2 minus x minus 2 minus x. 1 are 2 minus x. 1 1 are 1 children. Like this you will get. Okay. So when you get like this, you send this here, children. So what happens? X is equal to 1 by 2 minus, this 2 minus x will go here. 2 minus x by 2 2s are 4 minus 2x minus 1. Please see here, children, x is equal to 1 by 2 minus x by 4 minus 1 is 3 minus 2x. Okay, children. Next. See, children, here 1 and 3 minus 2x are there. X is equal to 1 by 3 minus 2x is the LCM. 3 minus 2x is the LCM. See here, children. 3 minus 2x is the LCM for this and this. 1 into this is 3 minus 2x minus this and this goes away. 2 minus x will come, children. This will go here. So x is equal to 3 minus 2x by 2 3s are 6 minus 2 2s are 4x minus 2 minus x. X is equal to 3 minus 2x by 6 minus 2 is 4 minus 4x minus x is minus 5. This into this is 4x minus 5x square is equal to 3 minus 2x. Okay.
Sir, 6 minus 2 is 4. Sir.
6 minus 2 is 4. Yeah.
And minus 4.
Minus 4x minus x is minus 5x.
Actually, when you removed brackets, minus 2 minus into minus plus it becomes also.
Yes, it will become.
That is.
Yes, correct. Very correct. So this children, yeah. This is 2 minus x. We have to take in the brackets. I always say to you, and I only did this. 6 minus 2 minus into minus plus. So 6 minus 2 is 4 children. Minus 4x plus x is minus 3x. Yeah, minus 3x. So this comes here, children. X into 4 is 4x. 3x into this is 3x square is equal to 3 minus 2x. This goes here. Sorry, this only will send here. 3x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 3x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, children? So, now what happens? 3 you take common, children. If you take 3 common, x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. What happens, children? X square minus 1x minus 1x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, children? So x I am taking common. If I take common x minus 1, minus 1 I am taking common, x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 and x minus 1 I am taking common. So x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1. Like this. Very, very important sum, children. Now they are asking board exams. So first I have taken this as LCM and I kept there. Then I took this both as LCM and I kept here. And I slowly solved it. Some please see here. Hope you are copying, children. Please copy. Don't waste the time. Please copy. Second question. After the class, practice each sum 2 times and submit to me as homework, children. Very, very important question. This is also. So what is the question? Is 1 by a plus b plus x is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x. 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x. Here also, this is also very, very important. So children, take all x's onto one side. Take all x's onto the one side. It will become 1 by a plus b plus x minus 1 by x. 1 by a plus 1 by b. What is the LCM, children? A plus b plus x into x. This is gone, x will go on. X gone, a A plus B plus X is equal. What is the LCM of A and B children? AB. A gone B, B gone A. So children, X minus A minus B minus X by AX plus BX plus X square is equal to A plus B by A. Minus X plus X is gone. Now we take minus common in the numerator. When you take minus common in the numerator, children, minus of A plus B into AX plus BX plus X square is equal to A plus B by A. A plus B cancel. Okay, children, this you bring here, this you take here. So this is coming here, children. X square plus AX plus BX is equal to, this is coming here, minus AB. This minus AB should bring here. X square plus AX plus BX plus AB is equal to 0. Okay, in this both X is common, X plus A. In this both B is common, X plus A is equal to 0. X plus A is common in both of them. X plus B is common in both of them. X plus A is equal to 0. X plus B also equal to 0. X is equal to minus A. X is equal to minus B. Like this here. Let's keep copying, children. Don't waste time. Very, very important things these are. Next question. Next question, see here. Yeah, next question is like this, children. This is very, very important. This is also this very big. So x plus 1 plus x plus 1 by x is equal to 34 by 15. 34 by 15. This is also very, very important question, children. It all depends upon the time at the time, children. Because children, if you do directly like this only, it will become very big, children. Same sum, if you do like this directly, it will become very big. So what I will do, children, this I will take as A. Then this will become what, children? 1 by A.
1 by A.
Is equal to 34 by 50. If this is A, this will become 1 by A. If this is A, this will become 1 by A because they are reversed to each other. Now LCM is A, children. A square plus 1 is equal to 34 by 15. Okay, this goes here, this goes here. 15 A square plus 15 is equal to 34A. This comes here. 15 A square minus 34A plus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, what 15, that children 225 should come and plus or minus 34 should come, children. What is the answer? 5 4s are 5 5s are 5 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. What will come, children? 34 should come. 25 9s are, children. 5 5s are 25. 25 9s are 34. 25 9s are 34. So 15A square minus 25A minus 9A plus 15 is equal to 0. In this both, what is common, children? 5 is common.
5,
If you
sir.
take 5A, so what you get? 3A minus 5. In this both, what is common, children?
3, sir.
3A minus 5 is equal to 0. So what do you get? 3A minus 5 into 5A minus 3 is equal to 0. Here what do you get? 3A is equal to 5 and 5A is equal to 3. Here you get A is equal to 5 by
5 by 3 and A is equal to 3 by 5.
3
We
by
need to substitute the.
Yeah, again we have to substitute because we have taken A value for something else. We have taken A value for something else that we have to substitute. So children, how much we got? A is equal to 5 by 3. A is equal to 5 by 3. But A, how much we took? X by X plus 1. These both are equal. X by X plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. Cross multiplication, dx is equal to 5x plus 5. This goes here. Minus 2x is equal to 5.
X is equal to 5 by minus 5 by
Minus 1 by 3. That's it. Like this. Okay, children, normally what you people will do is you will take the LCM and you keep on doing that. It become unnecessary, very, very big method, children. Instead of doing it, to do like this will be very, very easy method, children, to solve.
Sir, as we got A as 2 different values, we need to substitute both or only one is enough?
No, both you substitute, but I think you get both answers same because X is 1 only, no? If you want
Okay.
to substitute and see answer,
Okay.
you will get same answer. I think 3 by by 5 is equal to x by x plus 1. So 3x plus 3 is equal to 5x. This goes here. 3x is equal to 2x. 3 is equal to 2x.
Sir,
Because
x
different
plus 1
answer.
by x, sir.
Huh?
X plus 1 by x.
No, I took x plus 1 x.
X plus, second one is x plus 1 by x, no, sir. You again took x by x plus
No,
1.
I took x. No, not second one. A is x by x plus 1. That's all. A is x by x plus 1. That's all. Not second one. Second one is 1 by a. 3 by 5 is equal to x by x plus 1. 3x plus 3 is equal to 5x. 3 is equal to x. X is equal to 3 by 2. You are getting two different answers, children. So do 2 times, children. I thought you'll get same answer, but you are getting two different answers. Be careful, children. Do 2 times. A is x by x plus 1, not x plus 1 by x. No, that is 1 by a we took already. Check once properly. Next question, children. Children, next question. 2x by x minus 3 plus 1 by 2x minus 3 plus 3x plus 9 by x minus 3 into 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. You have to find the value of x. You have to find the value of x. Okay, children. So we have to take the LCM and we have to do slowly. Children, I'm analyzing this. Okay, children. So here x minus 3 is there, 2x minus 3 is there, here 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. 2x plus 3. Oh, this is also 2x plus 3. This is 2x plus 3. Children. Let's take LCM and start doing, children. What is the LCM, children, here? X minus 3, 2x plus 3 is the LCM. That's it. Because here also x minus 3, 2x plus 3 is there. X minus 3 gone. What do you get?
2x into 2x plus 3.
2x into 2x plus 3. Again, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 gone. X minus 3 into 1. Plus this and this gone. So what do you get? 3x plus 9. Whole thing is equal to 0. This whole thing comes here, it will become 0, children. It becomes 0. So 2x into 2x, what do you get, children? 4x.
4x square. 6x.
6x
X minus 3 plus 3x plus 9
is equal to 0.
0.
4x square plus 7x. 7 plus 3, 10x.
Sir, minus, okay.
Plus 6
Plus
is
6
equal to 0.
plus 3.
Is equal to 0, children. So what will take LCM, children? 2x.
2x.
2x square plus 5.
Sir, only 2 we can take LCM, sir.
Yeah. 2 we can take LCM. 2x square common.
5x plus 3.
Is equal to 0. This will come down, children. When it comes down, what happens, children? So 2x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x square plus children, what will take, children?
3x 2x.
2x plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 because 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, children. Take 2 common, children. 2x common. So
X plus 1 and 3 we take common. X plus 1. X plus 1 common. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is minus 1 or x is 3 minus 3 by 2.
2x plus 3 is equal to 0. This goes here.
2x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 by 2.
X is equal to minus 3 by 2, children. Like this you have to do, children. Okay. Next one. Children, all like this sums you have to practice. It will be there in Adi Sharma, children. This is only best time to practice because during examinations you will be very, very busy with your textbook only, children. Again and again you will be practicing textbook. This is the best time, children. Later you will not get this much time to practice Adi Sharma. Why to practice means sometimes some questions will come from here, children. At that time you will be in a difficult situation, children. 16x minus 10 by x is equal to 27. What is the LCM, children? X. 1 into x into 16.
16x square.
Minus 10 is equal to 27. This goes up.
16x square minus 10 minus 27 is equal to 0.
This comes here, children.
16x square minus 27x minus 10 is equal to 0.
Okay, so children, we have to get 160 and 27 as a factors. 160 and 27. 5 factorization of 160. 2 80s are, 2 40s are, 2 20s are, 2 tens. 27 should come to the number. Okay, that is question. Yeah, correct. 16x minus 10, right? So, okay. To the 4 for the 8 to the 60. The 4 for the 8 to the 60. The 32. 32 minus 5 children. 32 minus 5. 32 into 5 and 32 minus 5. So children 16x square minus 32x plus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0 children. So 16x if I take common, x
X minus 2 and 5 if we take common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 2 if we take common, 16 plus x 5 is equal to 0. X is 2 or x is 16x is equal to minus 5, sir. Minus 60 if 5 by
minus 5 x 60. Like that also you can do. Okay. Next sum. Children keep practicing the sums. Children, exercise 4.3 you practice children from R.D. Sharma. Exercise 4.3 you practice children. Exercise 4.3 from R.D. Sharma. You'll get strong foothold on this exercise. Children. Please practice 4.3. Okay. Next question. Very nice sums are there, children. It will give you enough practice forever. Okay, children. So next question is. Yeah. 3 into 7x plus 1 by 5x minus 3 minus 4 into 5x minus 3 by 7x plus 1, okay, is equal to 11. Is equal to 11. Okay, children. So what will we do, children? Here I will take this as
A.
x
okay, A will take already x is there inside.
1 by A.
minus
is 1
4
by
by a.
is equal to 11. So 3a minus 4 by a is equal to 11. Take a as LCM. 3a square minus 4 is equal to 11. This goes here, children. 3a square minus 4 is equal to 11a. This goes here. 3a square minus 11a plus minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to 0. 3 4s are 12, children. 12 is the factor. What is the 12 and 11 factors, children? 3a
12
square
and 1.
minus 12 and 1. 12
Minus
a
12.
plus 1a minus 4 is equal to 0 because minus 12 plus 1 is minus 7. 12 ones are 12, children. So take 3a
3a
common, children.
common,
A minus
m-
4. 1 common, a
A
minus
minus
4
4.
equal to 0. A minus 4
minus 4
common
common, 3a plus 1.
is
A
equal
is
to
equal
0.
A is equals to 4
4
and A is equals to minus 4 by 3.
minus 1 by 3. Okay, children, but what is our a, children? Our a was
7x plus 1 by 5x minus 3.
okay. What is our a, children? 7x plus
7x
1 by 5x
5x
minus 3. Okay, children, though both of them we have to simplify, children, because two answers we are getting now. So this is 20x minus 12 is equal to 7x plus 1. And how much is this, children? Minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 21x plus 3, children. Okay, so plus 1. Yeah, children. So this comes here, this goes here. 20x minus 7x is 13x is equal to 13. X is equal to 1. In the same way, children, 3 goes here, 21 comes here, minus 5x minus 21x is equal to 3 minus 3, minus 26x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. Children, x is equal to 0 and 1 are the answers. Like this, you will be getting the questions children, like this. Okay, one last sum will do, and we'll stop, children. One more sum. Remaining sums will do tomorrow, children. So see here, children, little bit. X minus a by x minus b plus x minus b by x minus a is equal to a by b plus b by a by b plus b by. Okay, children. So
So we will take it as p x by m by x by b.
what now?
Sir, A 1 by A also we can take, no, sir.
Huh?
We can take as A plus 1 by A. Here.
This already A's and B's are there. We have to take
P and
something
Q
else.
are
X 1 by x.
We will take
M
something else.
P, sir, will take.
M K
If suppose this I will take K.
K.
This will
Plus
become
1 by.
1 by K. Okay. Let's do. We'll see whether it will come or not because it will be a little bit tricky problem. Let's do it. K plus 1 by K is equal to A by B. What is the LCM, children, here? What is the LCM?
AB is the LCM, so A square plus B square by AB.
BB is A square plus B square. And here also K is the LCM. K square plus 1 is equal to A square plus B square by A. This goes here, children. So what do you get? K square. AB plus AB is equal to KA square plus KB square. Okay, children? Sure, let's go here. So, children, K square AB minus KA square minus KB square plus AB is equal to 0. Okay, children, are you able to understand? So, here what we will do, children? Here, X is K, children. X is K. Our normal X is K here. So, here in this both, what is common, children? K.
K.
If I take K
KA
common.
also we can take. No.
Yeah, K. Sorry, KA. So, what happens? KB minus A. And here what will take common, children? KB. If you take KB common, children, what do you get?
B minus A.
B minus
A we are getting.
B minus A, sir.
B minus A. This one, children, this is B minus A. This is also B minus A. No K, children. This is also B minus A. Okay.
Sir, but
So
Sir,
B,
it is K
square na,
square,
sir.
no, sir. So, like if we group K square AB and minus KB square.
no. K is common. Okay. K. Okay, fine.
So, otherwise, the first and the last terms we can take common, no, sir. AB we can take common, so K square plus 1.
Okay. So till here we did everything correct. 1 by K. Okay, K square AB plus AB is equal to K square plus KB square minus K square. K, if I take common, KB minus K. Minus B, if I take common. Here also, minus B common, children. So,
KB minus
minus
A, sir.
this is A here. And here also A will come,
A.
children. This is correct for important student. So, children, okay, KB minus A into, I will get KA minus B is equal to 0, children. Now, see here, children. What is coming now? KB minus A is equal to 0, or another one is KA minus B is equal to 0, KB is equal to A, KA is equal to B, K is equal to A by B, and K is equal to B by A. But what is K, children? What is K?
X minus A by X minus B.
X minus A by X minus B is equal to A by B. And what is K, children? Same.
X minus
A by
X minus B.
X minus B is equal to B by A. Okay, so let's cross multiplication, children. Bx minus BA is equal to AX minus AB. This X is on the one side, other one on side. Bx minus AX is equal to AB minus AB. X you take common, children. B minus A is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 you got. One value is 0 you got. One value we got here 0, children. Let's check under value. Here. This into this what, children? This into this A into X is A.
AX minus
Minus
A
A
square
square is equal
is
to
equal to BX minus B square.
AX minus B square. Okay. Take this here, children. What happens?
AX minus BX.
AX minus BX. AX minus BX is equal to A square minus
B square.
Okay. X you take common. A minus B into A plus B into A minus B.
A minus B must be
X
cancelled.
is equal
Is equal
to
to A plus B.
The other value of X is A plus B. One value is 0. Imagine, children, right? These questions will be there, children. What is my advice is, please all of you practice 4.3 exercise, children. How many sums you can practice, that sums you practice, There are totally 63 sums are there, children. How many sums you can practice? That means you practice, children. 63 sums are there. And including examples, it will be around 100 sums. You practice, this is the best time, children. If you practice 1 hour, 2 hours daily or max, you will become perfect, children, because before examinations, it will become difficult for us to do all this type of sums. We will be doing only model papers. What board will be giving some 10, 20 model papers and extra somewhere. We will be discussing only that. All these questions we will not get chance to discuss again, children. This is the best time to practice addition and the last, children. After that, we will be doing model papers from January onwards. Thank you, children.